vlog interview ni Tony
Ni Tony,
Gonzaga.
yeah.
Kwento niya na she was terrorized by her yaya.
You know, Jessica, we were keeping that secret because nalaman namin yung mga detalyeng yan. In one of her attempts in the past, meron siyang mga kinausap na therapist at sinabi ng mga psychologist na ito ang cause niyan. Nagkaroon siya ng PTSD o post-traumatic stress disorder. At ang dahilan, ayun. At yung mga maraming bagay na kinuwento niya. And we were keeping that secret because we wanted to protect her. Nagulat na lang kami nung biglang nilabas pala niya sa interview. Open siya eh. That's why we thought that she's okay. Because despite her pain, she was reaching out. No, despite her pain, nagkukwento siya eh. And that's a sign na okay ka eh. So we felt she was okay kasi ang advocacy niya, mental health, ang advocacy niya, wag matidepress. Yung pala, she was suffering. So, yung 2 years niya sa social media, kung saan napakaraming nakilala niya, marami siyang nailabas na ganyan.
Siya mismo
nagkukwento. And Feli and I, sinabi namin, it's her way of healing eh. Kasi pag naikukwento mo, nagiging okay ka eh. But we did not know that yung pagkwento niya, she was still in pain, she was still suffering.
Guys, if I pass away tomorrow, I want you to know I love you all very, very much.
Kim, sorry, pakikwento that day when you got the call.
Oh my gosh, Jessica. 2 days before that, we knew that there was a problem. Eman texted her mommy. Sabi niya, Mom, I'm in an emergency right now, but worry not. There's no self-harm. But I need to go to a therapy center. So we knew there was something wrong. We tried calling her, hindi sumasagot. And then the next day, we tried calling her again, hindi naman sumasagot. I was in the Philippines, Feli was in Florida. Meron siyang pickleball championship eh. Buti lang nasa America na siya when that happened. No? But I was waiting here. And then on the second day, I woke up in the morning. May message si Feli. I have terrible, terrible news. I knew already. Napaluhod ako, nanlambot ang tuhod ko. Sabi ko, Lord, ito na. So I called Feli. And Feli said, Eman's gone. Nanlambot ako, nanlamig ako, and ang nasa utak ko, Lord, dasal ko sa ito araw-araw. Why? Feli flew right away to LA. And then, yun na nga. So, we decided I flew to LA also, 2 days after. So, Eman is now in the Philippines. But that's how we found out. Ito pa, Jessica. That day that I found out, I was in shock, no? Pero therapy ko kasi trabaho eh. Sabi, wala akong pamilya rito eh. Nasa Amerika sila lahat. That was the most difficult day